Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have some breaking news for you out of Moscow, Idaho, and specifically the Latah County District Court. Dateline August 18th, 2025, Moscow, Idaho. This is a press release. I provided a link in the description to this podcast episode so that you can read it for yourself. But what it says is as follows. Press release. Temporary restraining order issued for Kohberger public records release. And it reads as follows. On August 12, 2025, the city of Moscow was served notice of a petition to the Latah County District Court for a temporary restraining order and injunction to prevent the release of additional public records related to State of Idaho versus Brian Kohberger, Latah County case CR 2922-2805, Ada County case CR 0124316665, and MPD case number 22 M09903 on behalf of Karen Laramie, the mother of Madison Mogen. This action followed the recent release of redacted crime scene photos by the city of Moscow in response to a legal public records request. On August 15th, 2025, Idaho's 2nd District Judge Marshall issued a temporary restraining order prohibiting the city's release of any images, audio, or video depicting the inside of Madison Mogen's bedroom until a hearing on the preliminary injunction may be held. Judge Marshall found that major portions of what had been released did not constitute an unwarranted invasion of personal privacy. However, Judge Marshall stated that there are portions of videos and photographs in their redacted form, specifically including unreleased body cam video that could constitute an unwarranted invasion of privacy at this time. While the temporary restraining order only applied to Madison Mogen's bedroom, the city will not provide any further releases of photographs or videos depicting the inside of any of the victims' bedrooms until the matter is fully reviewed and decided by the court. And this storyline contact is the city administrator, Bill Belknap. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if I could add a few comments here. First, it appears that this TRO, this injunction, this temporary restraining order, is only directed to the city of Moscow. And it does not appear that it has anything to do with, by way of example, the Idaho State Police and any records that they may decide to release, or having any authority over what Judge Stephen J. Hippler is currently going through in terms of deciding whether documents from the case itself, which is largely under seal, should be released to the public. You'll recall we have been waiting for some response from the state of Idaho and the defense to Judge Stephen J. Hippler's August 4th, 2025 order asking both sides to provide objections to approximately 2.5 months of file materials that are currently under seal. Third, Judge Marshall, a name that you should know very well. She is the former magistrate judge. We had previously reported to you here at the Indie Zone that she then became district court judge in Latah County. She's overseeing this case. She's entered a TRO. This is a temporary injunction, a temporary restraining order until a hearing. So it looks like there's going to be a hearing in Moscow, Latah County, to determine whether this injunction should be more permanent in nature or not. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. We are awaiting something on the Ada County docket as of right now regarding the filings that both sides were required to submit within 14 days of August 4th. As of the last time we checked the docket, they had not been docketed, no indication on the case summary page. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.